Let me do this again. I think I got it this time. I just thought of something. I just went ding. I think I got it. Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we're going to be dealing with Campari. Campari is an extremely bitter aperitif that I struggle to find a cocktail or two that I can truly appreciate and enjoy. It just lends an extremely bitter aftertaste that I struggle with, and it's just not my thing. So, Trenton and I, not but a week or two ago, were mixing some new cocktails virtually over FaceTime, and we discovered the Campari Sour. And to be honest with you, this is the very first Campari cocktail that I truly enjoy, and I want to share it with you today. Before we get started mixing the cocktail though, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. That would be outstanding. After you do that, if you could hit the notification bell, and that way you wouldn't miss a single episode of the show. Also, please comment below. I really want you to try this particular cocktail and see if you have the same opinion that I do, that this cocktail makes the Campari a bit more palatable. All right, let's get started. I already had an egg cracked ahead of time, so in this little dish I have an egg white. Since we're mixing a sour, we're going to have one egg white. After the egg white, I am going to pour in a full ounce of simple syrup. This simple syrup is just a 1-to-1 ratio and 1 full ounce. This is grapefruit juice. Today I'm using Natalie's organic grapefruit juice. I'm going to pour in a 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice. I have a freshly cut lime right here. So I'm going to squeeze a 1/2 ounce. Perfect. All right, 1/2 ounce of lime. And now for our spirit of the cocktail, which we spoke about before, the Campari. I'm going to pour in 1.5 ounces. And that's it. That's all the ingredients of the cocktail. Now, if you remember in our previous videos, we always do a dry shake so that way we can emulsify the egg white with the rest of the ingredients in the cocktail. I lost my seal, but we'll be all right here. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. All right. Now I'm going to get some ice in the tin, and we're going to give it a shake. All right. Now I can see if I can get this thing and hold it. Get a good lock on the tin this time. We're going to give it a good shake with the ice. All right, that'll do. I have a cocktail coupe ready to go. We're going to give this a strain. Very beautiful color to the cocktail. Perfect. Now for a garnish. All I'm going to do is place a dehydrated lime wheel right on top, and that's it. It's a beautiful looking cocktail, that's for sure. Let's give it a try. Very good. Combining the full ounce of simple syrup with the grapefruit juice, lime juice, it really tones down the bitterness of that Campari, but you still get the flavor of the Campari. So this is a particular cocktail that I could actually sip and enjoy using Campari. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for watching. We always ask you to please drink responsibly, and then we'll see you next time here at the Basement Bourbon Bar. See ya.